What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph K. So for today's video guys, let's talk about cancellation a BPI credit card. When we say cancellation guys, you are planning to request for a BPI credit card cancellation. Meaning, kung ano man yung perks and benefits na meron yung BPI credit card mo na yan, mawawala yan. And of course, yung credit limit, mawawala din yan. So, sayang din kapag million. So, dapat mag-isip ka kung balak mo ba talaga ipakat ng totoo yung BPI credit card ninyo. And then, of course, yung maganda dyan is hindi na kayo magbabayad ng BPI credit card annual fee every year. And of course, pag-uusapan din natin guys, yung steps kung paano nga ba i-cancel or paano ipakat ang BPI credit card. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ito. To cancel a BPI credit card, call the 24-hour BPI contact center at open parenthesis +632 close parenthesis 889-10000. So, kapag tumawag kayo din guys, using your hotline or yung landline ninyo, wag mo na lagyan ng close and open and close parenthesis. Diretso mo na lagay yung 632-889-10000 or 1-800-188-89100 for PLDT domestic toll-free. So, yun yung contact center nila guys. Kapag plano mong ipakat yung credit card ninyo, ipakancel, yun yung tatawagan nyo. Kasi yun yung pinaka-best or pinaka-madaling paraan to request for your BPI credit card cancellation. And provide your request to the representative. So, kapag sumagot na sila, sabihin mo lang, be polite to say na you are planning to cancel your BPI credit card. Huwag mo namang awayin, kawawa naman siya. You should pay off an outstanding balance and the card company may charge interest on the remaining amount. So, ito guys, a quick reminder lang. Before kayo tumawag sa BPI customer service to request for a BPI credit card cancellation, mas maganda na i-make sure nyo muna na nabayaran nyo ng lahat-lahat yung outstanding balance ninyo sa BPI credit card before kayo tumawag to request for a BPI credit card cancellation. Kasi hindi magandang idea yun guys, yung tatawag ka tapos may outstanding balance ka pa pala. So anong iisipin ng customer service representative ni BPI? Tatakasan mo yung utang. Wag ganun. So make sure to pay it off first. So kung may existing installment kayo, make sure to pay it off first. Nakalagay dito, and the card company may charge interest on the remaining amount. So kapag may existing installment kayo guys, sasabihin mo na nila yan na bayaran mo na yan ng buo. Tapos may pre-termination fee yan. At kapag kakaalam ko, 5% yung existing rate ngayon. So kung may outstanding balance ka, plus 5%. Kung magkano yan, plus 5%, yun yung babayaran mo. Kaya much better to make sure to wait na lang na matapos lahat ng installment mo before ka mag-proceed for BPI credit card cancellation. You can also inquire about other options and process your request by visiting a BPI branch or through the help and support section on the Bank of the Philippine Islands website. So, pwede na naman guys, pumunta kayo sa branch. Kung malapit lang naman yung BPI branch, doon na kayo magpa-assist for your BPI credit card cancellation. Then, ito yung steps guys to request or to cancel your BPI credit card. Paano nga ba i-cancel yung BPI credit card natin? Ito yung steps. Una is contact BPI. Of course, you have to contact them by phone. So, by telephone or landline. Call the 24-hour BPI contact center at 632-8899-1000 for those with 02 area code, mobile phones, and international calls. Or for the domestic toll-free number, 1-800-188-89100 for PLDT users. So, it's a good idea. Tip ko na lang guys siguro. Para mapadali, make sure na lang sa branch na lang kayo pumunta. Tapos, pagdating nyo sa branch, kung kailangan nyo tumawag sa customer service, mas mabilis lang. Kasi, mas alam nila kung paano yung process doon. Yun yung pinaka-best way. Kaysa sa tumawag lang kayo sa bahay, minsan hindi kayo makakonect. Lalo-lalo na kung nasa province kayo. Ganun yung pinakamaganda yung gawin. So, sa province ninyo, kung may BPI branch, much better to visit na lang para mas mapabilis. Kapag balak nyo magpakat, wala naman problema gayon guys. Basta bayad lahat ng credit card, outstanding balance, smooth lang naman siya. Then, Pwede naman siya in person, tulad ng sabi ko, visit any BPI branch to speak with a person representative. Then, pwede rin via online. Log into your BPI account and use the help and support section to file a request or report a concern according to BPI help and support page. So, kapag sa online naman kasi kayo guys, mag-aantay pa kayo ng certain period of time, yun yung last way ninyo guys kapag walang BPI branch. So, mag-wait na lang talaga kayo sa online. So, you have to fill out details needs. Then, tatawagan ka nila, ganyan, magre-reply sila sa'yo. Medyo matagal nga lang. Pero kung may BPI branch na naman, ito yung pinaka-best way to request for your BPI credit card cancellation. Then, kapag may nakausap na kayong representative, guys, ito na yung gagawin nyo. Kapag tumawag kayo, tapos may nakausap na kayo, state your request. Inform the representative that you wish to cancel your credit card. Pangatlo is address your balance. Ensure your card's outstanding balance is paid off, as you are required to do so even after canceling the card. So kahit napakancel mo na yung card guys, babayaran mo pa rin yun. Hindi ibig sabihin na napakancel mo na yung card, matatakasan mo na yung utang. Walang ganun. Babayaran mo pa rin yun. Interest may continue to accrue on the remaining balance. Kasi kapag hindi nyo nabayaran yung credit card balance nyo sa BPI guys, sila na mismo magkakat ng credit card na yan. Tapos hahabulin na lang kayo para bayaran yun. Ganun yun. Pang-apat is confirm cancellation. Follow up with BPI to confirm the cancellation of your card and ensure all actions have been completed. So, kapag na-confirm na, nabigay mo na yung kailangan nilang details to cancel your BPI credit card, tapos nag-confirm ka na, tinanong yung customer service if sure ka na ba talaga na ipapakat yung BPI credit card mo, then na-confirm mo na, then everything will be smooth and ika-cancel na nila yun. Tapos after a few days, makaka-receive kayo ng confirmation na completed na yung BPI credit card cancellation ninyo. So ito guys, may nagtanong, kung real time ba, anytime, pwede ba magpa-cancel ng BPI credit card? The answer is yes. You can typically request for you to cancel your credit card at any time. But you must first pay off any outstanding balance. Inuulit-ulit ko to guys, yung pay off balance kasi kailangan mo talagang bayaran yan. And any other charges or fees owed, of course. Before canceling, you should use any available rewards points. Ito yung tip guys, kapag balak nyo pa-cancel tapos may points pa kayo doon sa credit card nyo yun, sayang yun, gamitin nyo yun. Stop automatic payments like link to the card. So kung may mga automatic kayo doon na nakalink, auto payment, auto debit arrangement, make sure to cancel it first. And contact your credit card provider to formally request the cancellation. After cancellation, confirm the closure, destroy the card, and check your credit report to ensure the account is updated. So after nyo mapakancel yung credit card ninyo, after months, then you should have to check your credit report kung updated ba yun. Ganun yung magandang gawin. Then ito guys, may nagtanong, if it hurts ba kapag balak nyo magpa-cancel ng BPI credit card, maapektuhan ba yung credit report ninyo? For me guys, the answer is no. Walang problema doon as long as wala kang tinakasang utang sa credit card. Kasi naka-indicate lang naman doon, pinakat mo yung credit card, pero wala ka namang delinquent, sinasabi, tinakasang utang or delinquent account, wala naman, it's okay lang guys magpa-cancel ng credit card. Lalo-lalo na kung medyo nahihirapan ka sa annual fee. Kasi may mga credit card na matataas talaga yung annual fee. So, the best way to do is to reduce the burden, kumbaga. Better to request for credit card cancellation na lang. So, yun lamang guys. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for my videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate. It says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!